Hello, this is Kim Smiley with Exit Town and Lake Realty. Today we're at 423 East Ferrell Street, located in South Hill, Virginia. This is a beautiful, brand new 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home that includes a gorgeous kitchen. We are in love with these cabinets and countertop. Tons of space. Living room is right off the kitchen, so you have an open concept. And there's a separate family room, or you could use it as a playroom, office, whatever your needs are. Property does include 2 storage sheds, carport, and an underground pool. Save the best. The owner is going to cover chemicals and weekly maintenance and the rental payment. The tenant will be responsible for daily maintenance, which will be, the owner will go over what's included in that. The rent also includes opening and closing of the pool. So we are waiting for a new liner to come in and the pool to be filled up, which is perfect time for summer. As you can tell, it does have a fence around it, so it is safe for any guests coming over, or children or animals. The master bedroom is just off the living room, separate from the other 2 bedrooms. Nice, bright, large walk-in closet. Master bathroom has double sinks, bathtub, and there is also a stand-up shower, which is very convenient. Half bathroom for guests to use, located down the hall. Laundry room. The tenant will need to provide their own washer and dryer for this property. Utilities that you will be required to connect are Dominion Power in the town of South Hill, and that is for your water, trash pickup, and septic. Second bedroom and 3rd bedroom. And finally, you have one last bathroom. For more information on this property, please visit our website, www.rentalsatexit.com. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.